Biafra will suffer. They kill Igbo man finish. They put Igbo man out of Lagos. Then when Biafra is going, they follow Biafra to go together. It cannot be. They will stay with Nigeria and fight their own cause. The way the Yorubas, Oduduwas, Southwest Nigeria are pursuing some certain things. Sometimes it baffles me. Sometimes it sets people in confusion. They never be straightforward on whatever they are doing. They always look at any side that to hold the upper hand, they join that side. That's all. Is it not the same son Igboho, whom Fulani government of Nigeria under Buhari pursued? He went to Benin Republic. They do whatever they do, set him free. He went to Germany. When Tinubu entered power, Tinubu said he pardoned him. Is it not the same son Igboho open mouth and say that we should be one Nigeria? We join hands with Tinubu to move ahead. The same Igboho come out again for the second time to pick what he have denounced that he will not do again. Is it now that Nigerians, Igbos, Biafrans will not join hands to Tinubu to do Nigeria better? Is it now that some people realize that Nigeria is no more good? Look at how they are playing their own game. Akinjide, is it not the one that championing Oduwa Republic or Oduwa Nation movement with the son Igboho? The same Akinjide turn around when Tinubu enter and become quiet, become silent, rather advising Tinubu what Tinubu to do. Now the same Akinjide went again and use Igboho to go. Why are they not consistency on what they are doing? Today they are Nigeria. Next tomorrow they are Oduwa Nation. Where do they stand? Where do they stand? Or are they working that when Biafra is going, Biafra will shed their blood to finish. Biafra will suffer. They kill Igbo man finish. They put Igbo man out of Lagos. Then when Biafra is going, they follow Biafra to go together. It cannot be. They will stay with Nigeria and fight their own cause. Professor Akinjide is a learned man. Sorry. Professor Akintoye. Sorry, not Akinjide. Akintoye is a learned man. He's supposed to know what agitation means. He's supposed to know how to fight, have freedom mean. Freedom is not a child display. Freedom is not a child display. Do they want to eat where they did not labor? They rise up again because they see that the Igbo man, Biafrans are at the edge of going. Only one step there we go. Why can't they start when we start? I think they're supporting Tinubu. Both Sandibo and Akintoye. So I think they're supporting Tinubu on one Nigeria. Go on. Why are they not supporting him now again? They remember Oduwa Republic or Oduwa Liberation. They have already taken their hand throw into Donsville. They want to go there, pick it again. Okay, let them go to Britain. Let Britain come overnight and divide Nigeria. Let Britain come overnight and divide Nigeria. Have not Britain seen Biafra crying how many years now? From 1966 up to now, Biafra is crying for their freedom. Now, Igboho and his master will rise up overnight and get it for free and get it in the platter of gold. It's not easy. Freedom, independence is not in a platter of gold. It's not in the platter at all. It's a rumble. Independence is in the mud. You have to be dirty. You have to jump into the mud, be dirty before you get independent. Independence is not what we wear, what agbada, what agbada chonkwom, what this Babariga. to achieve independence. You cannot wear what Baba get to achieve independence. You have to wear short and get it and be ready to jump inside the mud. And get ready to jump inside the mud for independence. Independence is not to only pen and barrel overnight. No. Or speaking grammar. No. That is not independent. Or relaxing when other people labor finish, when other people share their blood to finish, then you step in and take their blood to get their independence and reserve their own blood. Now lie. Let me see how Britain will come overnight and grant them independence in Nigeria. Let me see. It's one after the other. When Biafra go, whosoever want to struggle for independence, let him go and struggle. I'm not against anybody independent because I myself, I'm looking for my own independence. Therefore, whosoever is fighting for their independence, I'm not against it. But let it be the normal way. Don't use another person's sweat to eat. That's what they want to do now.
Are you trying to say that you are scared that they might get their independence before Biafra?
They will get their independence before. Have they started?
From the way you are talking, you look scared. That you look.
No. Excuse me.
They might go to the back door and get it.
Excuse me. Writing letter is not end there. Because Nnamdi Kanu, somebody have write letter, more than have the right. Did Nnamdi Kanu not write to OAU? The letter, the petition someone wrote OAU to AU, wrote to AU, African Union, against Tinubu government, the laying of Nnamdi Kanu and the Biafra referendum. Is it not a Yoruba woman sit upon it and throw it into trash? When you throw another person petition or letter into trash, then you want to go to Britain and your own will be honored. God is in heaven. God will judge. God is in heaven. Law of karma is coming. Law of karma is coming. Eh? It's not easy. It's not easy. You see, I like to tell people truth.
They shop food 5,000 and no go belle.
I tell people the truth. I'm not against anybody dependent, but turn by turn. Anyway,
but if this, we know as of now, we know that Nigerians are not happy with the current situation of things. But if things get improved, with this agitation, will it stop? Will it stop? Just like the way Sunday Igboho and the rest have written letter to the British government. Do you think at least it will clamp things down? If the price of petrol come down and the price of food come down, do you think at least the agitation will reduce?
I'm telling you honestly, if things normalize now, and there's money for one bank, they will go and withdraw that letter. They will go and withdraw that letter. When Sunday Igboho return and confess, say, let everybody join hand with the Sunday Igboho. He made the mistake of agitating for Odua nation. Let the government forgive him because they thought that it would be make and honey. Now that make and honey, they are not seeing it again. They rise up again. They are not seeing it. They rise up again to be talking Odua nation, freedom or republic or independence. Fine, it's not a sin. It's not a sin at all. I'm telling you honestly, it's not a sin at all for somebody to ask of independence. But let Britain come and divide Nigeria.
But do you think we even support any of the tribe, whether the southeast, whether the southwest? Do you think they support any tribe or whether the Fulanis for division? Because some people say Nigeria is just like a company to the British government that just like we're working for them. Do you think they want
Royal Niger Company? That's the actual name. Royal Niger Company belong to Queen Victoria, the great grandmother of the late Queen Elizabeth. Yes, before they named it Nigeria, Royal Niger, they named it Nigeria. Let me tell you, even what the Sunday Igboho and Akintoye did. Anyway, it's good. Let us, in other hand, it's good. They start early. They start early now to be petition. So that before Biafra exists, they will know they will reach. So that when Biafra exists, maybe the next 5 to 10 years, they themselves will go. So as they start early, maybe that's their plan. But not that immediately Biafra is going to flow Biafra at the same time. I don't think that will be possible. Because everything has a role, has a protocol. United Nations, even though they themselves know what it means, know the step, know the rigorous way you will go before you get it. If they haven't started to go, maybe this one may be knocking on the door they are doing, which is fine. In that hand, which is fine. They did it well. They start knocking on the door. In case, not in case, as Biafra is going, so that they themselves, they can be able to continue the process of their own. Independence has a process. It has a process. It's just not a damn thing. You get independent. It has a process. Maybe this is the process they are starting. May God help them in Jesus' name.
You see, all those language is a contradictional language. They don't have what to say anymore. When you are now saying we should work hard, now today they work hard. See, that language from the mouth of the wife of the president. So it's like it's telling you directly that they are tired. They are tired of the welfare of Nigeria. They are tired. They are not capable. So they are telling you now you should go and look for how your life will be okay. I mean, say no food for lazy, but also we should go and work hard. Who is not working hard before? Right from the one where they work hard. Even before they become president, who they have been working hard. But things was not like this. Things is not like this. You can't use work hard to cover what is on ground. What is on ground is that the president, the husband, he failed. He failed Nigeria, and hopefully that one is the reality. You can't go and convince anybody that we are the problem. See, the problem is lie on their debts. So the solution is there for them. And they know the solution, but because of their policy of their government is wrong. It's not popular with the people. It's not popular with the people. How can you just wake up one day, you see say fuel don't be 1,002. Now make it work hard, then fuel will be 1,500. It's not their responsibility. Who is the Kaba? Is the Kaba more than the presidency? The Kaba, and they don't group of people. Okay, they're more than the president and the commander-in-the-chief of armed forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Kaba that control the environment where the president is supposed to control. So in that situation, the president, I don't think they have the capacity. The wife is not begging that we should work hard. How long? How long we want to work hard? See, things is not working. So work hard is not the solution. Work hard. See, Nigeria work past any other person on this earth. Nigeria is not lazy. That's why this all those things that is happening to Nigeria to the extent that there is nothing to eat, nothing to take up about, but they still live. They still manage upon the suffering, upon the hardship. They are not telling us that. See, the language of them, it doesn't have meaning. If you wear the tongue don't get meaning. You don't get meaning. It's like you are giving an excuse. You know why you blaming my husband? You go and walk down a statement. It's not statement. It's a wrong statement. There's a statement when you go make, when you go address somebody angriness. There's no statement of this kind of nature.
You still believe in Tinubu's government?
Tinubu, see, let me tell you one thing. Tinubu, when he came, we thought it's going to be a reality. Down the left one, which is Buhari. But now we are seeing that the left one even better than him. So how will I go to believe in this government? I don't believe in him anymore. Totally in language, I'm telling you the truth. Don't believe in him. If I should give you a chance again to say I should support somebody, I will never allow even my opponent to support Tinubu. Because see what is happening now. From here before to Obaga is 200 naira. Now 400, 300, 500. And you must go. You must go and look for a daily bread. Is that supposed to be my work or your work? It's supposed to be work of the president. Analyze, strategize, direct, a productive direction. Let people obey your talk. You are commander-in-chief. You see that one place in a Kaba and they make well. Who be Kaba? Who are Kaba? See, that's why last time a state senator Dome said the president is so archaic in Aso. So when you look about those statements and look about what is happening around the environment, you don't know the reality of what's really happening. The truth. See, the truth is bitter. The truth must be told. The government is not doing well for the people. The people are suffer more than 100% under this present administration. So it's bad. It's very, very bad and dangerous. It's dangerous now. Tomorrow is coming, and tomorrow must come. So what we do today, we accomplish it tomorrow. But I pray that God will change our mind to change our policy, change our thinking. Let them put Nigeria first. Let them put us first.
But Oluwa, from what's happening now for the from the current hardship, do you think this can lead to anarchy if the price of commodity and goods continues to increase?
You see, that's why I'm praying for God to intervene, because this kind of situation now is like nobody's even voicing out. It's like in the previous government, a multitude of protesters could have spring up. You see what they do last time in a daughter against the government of Jonathan. You see, just because of there was no hardship then, just because of fuel matter then, increasement of fuel. That time food was not problem. Food was no problem then, but now everything is accumulated wickedly. Nobody is protesting. It's only God that will set you free, because now it's like the main mafia of protesters, they are now in power. They are now in power, so nobody is capable of opposing them. You see now, no NLC, Nigeria Labour Congress, where are they? Where is Jero? They plant allegation said, so it's afraid to mobilize Nigeria against the bad government. So we're tired. But I know God will set us free, and He's already setting us free. Without God, I can't stand here. You can't stand here, because the language of the government is not sincere enough.
We've seen former campaign manager for Peter Obi, Toyokupe. He said Tinubu is currently in UK, but said why Tinubu is in UK is he wants to reshuffle his ministers in UK. That after he come back, that things will normalize. Do you think that if Tinubu come back, do you think that after reshuffling ministers, do you think things will calm down? Do you think that things will be okay for Nigerians?
Is that the problem? Things to calm down, because we don't want things to go up. Again, we are tired. So we are praying for the mercy of God to intervene in their heart. Let them see. There is money for us to be okay. There is environment for us. There are resources for us to be okay. There are many resources. Nigeria is blessed now. You say you borrow. How can we be borrowing and we are still suffering? So let them check and change their mind and rule Nigeria in a level that really enjoy democracy, because this is not the democracy they practice.
But we've seen Akpabio said if they increase the price of oil again, that the Senate will act. Do you think you just make him out, or why?
The Senate will act. Why don't they act now? Yeah. All this one are systematic language of frustration. They thought they take us for a ride for a very long time. Now our eyes don't open. See their language. Say if they increase, who be they? Are they not they? They are the same. You want to tell me that before they increase for Akpabio, don't know, it's a Senate president. You not trying to that if they increase it again. So you are trying to let Nigeria to accept this increase. Nigeria will not accept this increase rate. It's bad. Their cycle of badness, they are showing their color. Their days are numbered. They can't live there forevermore. Let me tell you, Akpabio and Co, they can't live there. Nobody knows what's happening tomorrow. Telling Nigeria to say they increase, they will show them. Why even show them now? You don't have power. You just have chop Nigeria money. Let Nigeria suffer. They don't buy anything. They don't buy food. They don't buy food now. They don't buy anything. They don't pay anything. It's Sarah. So they don't care. If they buy, they go care. Now more 1 liter, 1,000 plus. How many want buy? How many want buy? Want to work before you go see your money back. You don't have suffer this. But now he say if they go out, they go to hear. All those ones first start talk. Who gets sense? That talk, that talk is meaningless. It doesn't have meaning. Why can't they stop it now? Nigeria, they say 1.5, they say 1.2. So saying that why? The control what they say their government, see the president. You see, every day has a date. Time will come, say yesterday Akpabio was the president, see his utterance. But now It's not there anymore. You understand? So you have to do the right thing at the right time. They are not doing anything right for us to enjoy. That's why Nigeria is suffering.
So they are using it as a strategy, political strategy, to do what? To reduce the youth from the eastern region, from the southeast, to stop them so that the power of force, are you getting it, will be radically reduced. Excuse me, if it's working, if things are working fine in the military, why is it that the Nigerian military, those that have opportunity to jackpot, why are they jackpotting? If things were well organized and things are going well, auguring well in the military, why are they jackpotting? People going to UK, people going to even Ukraine where there is war. Nigerian army is going there. They prefer going there. Ekpa is 100% right. Someone Ekpa is 100% right. They say Sambisa forest, or what is it called? The Sambisa forest, there is no forest there, in case you don't know. It is a political name, a political word. There is no forest in Sambisa forest. It's an open grazing land. It's an open land. Very open.
So you said there's no forest?
No forest. Go and do your verification very well. They will only carry Nigerian soldiers in the name of Sambisa forest to Uganda. They will carry them. They will tell the Boko Haram. Don't you know that Sambisa forest is a political place whereby Nigerian politicians are using it to trade with the lives of Nigerian armies? And we select them from the west here, especially from the east, carry them and in the name of fighting Boko Haram, and they will tell Boko Haram, these people are coming, Boko Haram will go and hide. They will carry them and come openly. Boko Haram will take them unaware. They will come from the behind and slaughter all of them. They are using it to reduce the youth of the southeast. They are using it to reduce the strength of the southeast. They are using it to reduce the army, because they know that those people are going to be the one that will wear that army, the military this thing, when Biafra comes. So they are using it as a strategy, political strategy, to do what? To reduce the youth from the eastern region, from the southeast, to stop them so that the power of force, are you getting it, will be radically reduced. So that in case of incasity, because they knew it, that a time will come whereby something like this jet fight or whatsoever, like war, may come up, so that the Easterners may not have the people. Are you getting it? The forces, the people, the energy, the resources in a manpower. Are you getting it? To be able to face it, to stand and encounter them. So they are using that system. So I am using this opportunity to tell every Southeast man and woman not to do what? Don't sign. Most Southeast, South. Please don't join anything called Uniform Nigeria. Once you wear that cloth, you are wearing a garment of death. You are wearing grave. We are call it graveyard garment, clothes. You know, say when person die, there is, if you want to enter grave, the cloth where you wear different from the one where you go wear enter grave. So that one is a graveyard garment. They should not wear it. They should not put it on. They should okay, now listen to me and listen good. Do you know that before, why I'm telling you this was that I have a friend, including my very self here. Back in the years that we ask you, who is your father? To join the military. And if you eventually have connection, because they work by connection, and you say you join, the opposition, they will not give you your rightful position, because you are not a Fulani. Are you getting it? And that is why you have so many generals that are, you see their name Ibrahim, you see their name Musa, you see their name Buba, you see their name Guba, you see their name Gumi, you see their name Eshadai Kahai. You know, you see those names, but you will not see one. You will not see Ikemba. You will not see Ikechukwu. How many of them are there?
Nwachukwu is the top, army general.
After that, name another person you know. But I've mentioned many that are here. Mention many. Even some of them that come that have that position before, they have retired them.
But yet what Nwachukwu said, he said IPOB is deceiving
Much alone, excuse me, that is political statement. Are you getting it? So that he himself will let it not be as if he is part of the IPOG. He just throw that one. Make it no be sound, no talk. I talk.